Hello everyone, this is Ron. Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to build a complete website using Durable, the AI website builder that helps you launch a beautiful site in just a minute. So this video will perfect for beginners as well as there's a no coding needed. Now let's get started. Once you just go to Google, search for Durable website builder, click on this first link here, and on the top right side corner, if you're starting for the first time, click on start for free. Before moving forward, let's go and talk about the pricing because it's not completely free. So here there are two plans. The first one is a starter and the second one is a business. And obviously yearly is slightly less expensive as compared to monthly. And here you can see, you can pause the video, you can come to this website and you can compare each and everything, what advantages are given on each tier of plan. So now let's go and click on start for free on the top right side corner. What type of business are you building on? So let's say I'm building so here I gave a very slightly easy prompt, a personal training website for weight loss. Now click on next. Where is your business located? Now let's set here New York. You can type the exact address here and click on next. What is the name of your business? I'm going to write here Filex Health. Now click on next. And within few minutes it will start writing your content. In short, it will start building your entire website, so you don't need to do anything. It will start picking the images, write the content, and adjust your website in different segments. So whether you are a freelancer, small business owner, or launching your side hustle, Durable lets you generate a full website under 60 seconds. And as you can see here, it's still in the creation. It's optimizing our website, and this is the website. So this is our logo on the top right side corner. Obviously, we will have a lot more freedom to customize the entire thing. And if you are worried about what kind of images it's using, whether it's using copyright images or some paid images, no, all these images are completely free and copyright free. Once done, it will ask you to create a free account to view and customize your site. As you can see here, we can get started. There's no credit card required. I'm going to use my Google account. You can use your email. Once you have made your account, you can see here on the left top side, you will find this home button icon. Now this is a customized section. So if I just go and click on here, we can customize it. We will get it into this later. This is pages. Obviously we can add pages and I will show you each and everything. And this is preview. So in the preview, you will able to see how it's look over on the desktop. So here you can see this is how it look over desktop here, right? And this is how it will look over tablet from the top to end, right? So I think it's take a very slight second to load the information, but yeah, it's okay for now. Now this is how it's look over phone. Okay, so this is how the preview button work. Now if I just scroll from top to bottom, you can see here we have a lot of option, and wherever I take my mouse, you will see this blue line. It means that you can edit that part. So here, first of all, this is our logo. If I just go and click on it, I can change it. If I want to upload a file or whether my logo, so let's say if I just want to generate or upload something, click on file upload, click on add media, and here you will get a lot more option. You can add some kind of images, and this is your asset, the videos and folders, whatever you have used while making the website. And you also have an option to upload it. So the file size is the largest file, which is goes up to 32 MB. So make sure your file size is below 32 MB here. Just for the example, I have uploaded a random website logo here, which you can see here, this one, and I will simply just go and click on insert. Now this is how it's going to look, and here you can see I can adjust the desktop size. So if I just adjust it, here you can see this is how it's going to look, and this is a mobile size, right? Now here, if I just scroll down, you can see here there is a very slight animation here where our logo becomes smaller, and when I zoom back here, you can see when I scroll up, it just gets zoomed back. Right there you have a lot more option. You can change the style, content. For example, I want to change the position, so I would like to go with left, logo left. My from the menu left, you can do this. Whether you want logo center, so this is how it's going to look over in the center. So it's completely up to your use case how you want to go with this. Now once it's done, you can restyle this up. So for example, here you can see, if I just go and click on it, it will automatically shift the position here. Now here comes, this is basically our header section, right? Now there's an image. Now if I want to change the image, for example, I want to restyle this up, so I can just restyle, right? And here If I want to move down this section, then I can just move down below, and this is how it'll look. And if you want to edit this section, so let's go and click on edit this section. Now here I can edit this entire thing. For example, here I can just write something, right, and it will start adding here. Now this is a description, so if I just go and click on here, I can change it. Now I can even add an image, so there's a section to add an image. If you turn this on, this is button, right? So it's completely up to your use case here. If I want to change the image, so I can change it from here. So let's just go and click on change. Automatically it will take you to the media selector, and here I will just go and click on upload. And just for example, I'm going to upload a random image here just to show you guys. Now this is the image here. I will just go and click on insert, and this is how it looks. Now here you can change the color. Let's say I don't like the style, I have this option, right? So I can change the the shapes and everything. Now you can see here the overlay is very strong, right? So I just don't want to put any kind of overlay. So this is how it's going to look like. And whether you want to put any kind of image video blur, you can also blur it, and there's a very strong blur if you want to. So I don't want to put any kind of blur here. I want to put a light overlay, so this is how it's going to look. Now obviously it's really easy to do. Once done, just go and click on done on the top right. Now just for example, as you can see here, this are the all regenerated. You can always replace it, the images, text and everything here. Just for example, I want to add a section, so I will just go and click on add a section. And here I want to add a section regarding my clients, so I can just go there, and here I want to showcase my all these options, the clientele with whom I have worked, right? So here automatically it will add something. Now most of the time the logo will be not appropriate regarding which kind of clients you have worked. So obviously you can just go and click on replace each and everything here. So here you have a lot more option to replace every image. So just go and click on this pencil gear icon, and here you can just go and click on change and upload your own image, right? So I hope this entire part you have understood, that you have the full freedom to add images, you can rechange the text, you can replace anything, right? And this is the entire website that you will able to find it. And now let's move to here on the top left side corner. So here, let's say I want to add any kind of buttons here. So here, let's say I want to add style one button, I can change it, right? And so let's just go and click on done, and in this way you will able to add a button. But I guess this is not showing up here. Let me recheck this part. Okay, so here you can see this is button, and if I want to change it up, obviously changing the shape however I want. If I want extra large, so this is going to be extra large, right? So this is really easy part. Now let's say if I just go and click on if I want corners, so here we have a medium corner, right, which we can use it any one of this section here. And if you want any kind of animation, so here you can add animation. So you have all kind of information, all kind of functions you need here. And for example, this is the best thing which I really like about Durable, that is basically that AI, right? Obviously it's completely made by AI, but for example, I want to regenerate entire website, I can regenerate it. I can just change this entire location name and everything, and just by clicking regenerate will delete and replace your entire website. Yeah, that's fine. Once your blog will remain unchanged, this action is irreversible. So make sure before you regenerate your entire website, make sure you have saved it. Now this is called add pages. So obviously you will not have a single home page. You will have a lot different pages, right? Now here you can add a page. So for example, I want to start with a blank page, and I can start customizing depending on my needs here. But let's say I want to customize a service page. I need a service page. So I will just go and click on service, right? Services here, and you can put here your slugs. I think this is normal, and click on continue. With the help of AI, it will generate your page in just 60 seconds, and this is the one of the page, right? So it will start generating it. You can replace the entire part, and most of the time you will find the images are really same. So obviously you have the freedom to change it, so you can change it here within few seconds. Once it get optimized, I will show you up how our website is, I mean the page. So this is our service page here, and this is how it's looking, right? It's very similar to our home page, but obviously we have this option to change this up. I hope the page section is cleared. Now here you can add folders and your blog posts, right? And this is help. If you need any kind of help, you can just go and change it. And once done with your website, now let me show you how you can publish it. So to publish it, you need to add your domain and everything here. So it's not free. You can add your website, you can make your website completely go live. So it will help you to get a custom domain, which will be included in the subscription, right? And this is a SEO tool, which will help you to rank over the Google and this new chat GPT and Claude and different things here. You will get the analytics that how many people, how much traffic you're receiving on your website, and access to millions of stock images, which we all have already used. So first of all, you have to just go and click on upgrade, and you can upgrade any one of the plan. This is $12 per month, and this is $20 per month, and this is yearly. If I just go and choose here monthly, the price gets slightly expensive here, but yeah, this is enough. I mean, this is fair, whatever the services durable is providing to us. And simply click on get started, and you have to pay for it, and then it's done. Then you will able to add everything, you will able to publish your website. This was it, guys. I hope you found this video very useful. If you need any kind of more information, you can use the comment section. I will help you there. And if you want any part, any video on any part, I will remake it. Just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.